What's going on? Okay. It's a lot of debate and a lot of talk about healthcare and shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and break down the healthcare game for y'all. I keep hearing a bunch of people talking about, oh, it's socialism. It's gonna be running into socialism. Shut the fuck up. Ain't nothing going into socialism. It's fucking stupid. What, you mean like China or Cuba or North Korea? Get the fuck out of here. How fucking dumb can you be? Anyway, this is a healthcare game right here for you. So many of y'all worried about like healthcare and drugs and cheaper pharmaceuticals and healthcare for whatever cancer and pre-existing conditions. Here, this is the game of healthcare right here, and I'm gonna break it down for y'all real slow so you understand what I'm saying. The food supply is fucked up. No one's regulating that shit. They put fluoride in the fucking water. Fluoride is not healthy. Who's telling you people this? And you willingly buy shit with fluoride in it. Give me a fucking break. There's additives, preservatives, and all other kinds of shit. And there's salt, and everything is freeze dried, and everything is packaged, and all kinds of shit is in the food supply, which is making us really, really fucking fat and unhealthy and dying. So if you are willingly putting all that shit up into food, and you know that you're killing people, and you know that you're making them fat, leading to heart disease and all other kinds of shit, then there is a need for drugs. There is a need for health care and diabetes care and all this other shit that can be prevented. Really, it can. Look it up. Go do your own fucking research. So the game of health care is to make people sick so that you can cure them. It's not about who gets free health care and all this other shit. I mean, fuck it, give the kids free health care. If you're an adult, here's your health care plan. Get off your motherfucking ass and go work out. Stop eating all the hungry man dinners and frozen fucking pizzas. Cut down off of the beer, and stop eating boxes and Twinkies and shit like that. You wouldn't have to fucking worry about too much health care. How's that? How about some personal fucking responsibility? Now, I know that, it kind of sucks that if you're poor, you really can't afford to take care of yourself or feed yourself properly. So the bigger question is that if you do not have money, if you don't have money, why isn't there a source of food that is healthy? Healthy should be for every fucking person. Not just for the privileged few that can shop at Whole Foods or some of these other organic food places that cost an arm and a leg, but it should be for everybody. But instead, we got people sitting up here talking about communism and socialism and all this other stupid shit. So, healthcare game. You make people sick, get them real fucking sick for years and years and years, and then you can feed them drugs and healthcare, and then scare all the little old people. And all the little old people out there talking about like socialism and communism and all this other shit. Nobody's gonna be a fucking socialist. And besides, I think, fuck it, most of y'all ain't gonna be alive, by the time this healthcare program kicks in. No way, because you're all fucking unhealthy. But if you would actually go ahead and take some fucking responsibility for yourselves, that might cut down on some things, provided that you're not super poor and impoverished. But yeah, anyway, that's the healthcare game for you. These big corporations pump you full of steroids and preservatives and all other kinds of crazy fucking shit, and then make you sick. And then their buddies, the drug companies, they make a shitload of money. So you're kind of all being pimped out there. I guess we all are on some level, but that's the healthcare game right there. It's not about buzzwords like socialism and communism and because I mean, let's face it. If you're sitting there doing all that other shit, then you're probably just a fucking racist and pissed off that there's a black president anyway. That's really what that shit comes down to. Let's just keep it real and say how it is. But yeah, healthcare game. That's the fucking healthcare game right there. Make motherfuckers sick so you can charge them a whole bunch of money to make them well, and you can keep this whole healthcare industry going. Plant a garden, people. Plant a garden, grow your own goddamn food. It'll help out a lot. Trust me on this. I know what I'm talking about. I'm an expert because I'm wearing a hoodie. Peace.